Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is our group project, Digital Mental Health Literacy Hope, presented by the Void team consisting of Othman Hassan, me, Abdalla Ali, and Eyad Aimen. We have four main key actors, which is the student that interact with the system, the mental health professional that monitor the student and the content accuracy, the AI chatbot for assistance, and the administrator for managing the content. So the key features for this system is the student modules for the student, the admin modules for that, the tools for monitoring, the support features, resource management, interaction tracking, content. Also, we have the chatbot that provide instant support, as I said, the forum for the community, the feedback from the user to enhance anything further, the emergency button in case of a crisis, the community that builds up a foster supportive network, and the interaction. That's all from me. And um, my teammate will present next.
Hello,
Thank you.
everyone. And in behalf of the team Void, I'll be talking today about the team coordination, the student journey, and module overview. For the team coordination, we make sure that we work together in order to have the most efficient system. Now, what is the student journey? The student journey covers the processes from the student in order to access the different mental health resources and track his mood and finally logs out of the now for the student journey. We have the registration, and then after that he logs in. After that he accesses the different mental resources. After that he can track his mood, and after that if he's done with the application he can log out. The transition during this now process let's is take smooth. A look at our different modules for the system. We have the registration module, we have the accessing resources module, we have the tracking for the mood model, we have the second half, we have the chatbot model, we have the forum participation model, we have the content moderation model, and finally we have the upload resources
So this
model.
is the use case diagram for our system. The use case diagram help us to visualize the main components of the system and interaction with the main actors of the system. It consists of 8 modules. The first module is for authentication, which consists of register, login, and logout, and involve the administrator, mental health professional, students because they must be authenticated before entering the system. Module 2 is will allow the student to access the mental health resources and also complete a weekly activity provided by the system. Module 3 is for track and mood, allow the student to enter their mood of each day. Module 4 contains two use cases. The first one is emergency button, which directs the user to UTM Psycher, and the other one is submit feedback about the system. And then we have the chatbot module, which allows the student to engage with the integrated AI. In the system, the AI will provide the user content based on the student's feelings. And then we have forum participation in module 6, allow the students to post something about mental health in the system. And we have the module 7 is for the administrator to monitor the students and approve the content. The and then for the last module is for the mental health professional to upload the resources, which must be approved by the administrator before it's being visible to the
Hello
students.
everyone, and I'm back again. I'll be explaining our mockup for the mental health hub application. So this is our sign-in page. I will be signing in using my email and my password. Then I'll be logging in as a student, and those are the different use cases provided earlier by our friend Eyad. So this is the resources and activities. You can access the resources, either videos, articles, or self-help. You can actually also track your mood using weekly or monthly tracking. You can also have some self-assessment using a quiz. You can chat with the chatbot about different topics. Uh, okay, and also this is the forum where you can post and or select different topics depending on what you want, like support and encouragement, stuff like that. uh, there is also the feedback option. You can give a feedback for the application, and after that you have the emergency help section, which is the final section, which you can contact different help or guidelines for your mental health. After that you can log out of the application, and that's it for our student part. My friends will explain the professional and
I will be explaining about the admin activity in the system. So this is the registration screen where users can create their account by entering their full name, email, role, and password. For now, I will select the administrator role. So by creating an account, this is the home screen for the admin. It contain a section that has the current summary about the system, along with quick access to admin feature like my student and approving the content. On the left hand side, we have the navigation where the admin can navigate to the forum, where the main functionality is to delete some post in the forum that they think is not appropriate. We also have the admin panel where it contains the information about the current state, like total students, forum posts, the public resources, and also the actions that can be made, like approving the content. Approving content is navigate to a screen that contain a list of content that need to be approved or rejected, along with a list of approved and rejected content. So the admin can preview the content and either approve it or reject it, and with the option message. Of course, the mental health professional will be notified. Another thing we have is monitoring the students, where the admin can see the average mood score for the student throughout the weeks, along with some information about the students, like their average mood, completion of the weekly activity, and the system also highlights the students that have low average mood score, so the admin can take action quickly.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm here with the mental health professional module. So you can see in his main page, he can see the number of active students, the pending approvals, the engagement rate, and this is all in the main page. Also, he can access the forum, seeing any postage to monitor it and manage the postage in the community. You can see categories about stress, anxiety, study life, support and encouragement, relationship, wellness, etc. You can also make new postage with title and content and additional information. He can upload resources as well, such as PDF, video, external link, adding additional information like title, category, description, external link for submission and review. Also, he can see the resources he just uploaded it, like the articles he uploaded, the videos, or even the modules he uploaded from his main page. And that's all for this module. Thank you all for listening.